Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Gonzalez local and long distance movers near me. With our help as local movers, we offer various services that make moving to Gonzalez, Florida easy. Gonzalez Local Moving Company helps residents move their belongings safely from one place to another, whether in the same neighborhood or across town. We have a team of experienced movers who know the area and how to navigate the roads and trails to ensure your move is smooth and safe. We also offer packing and unpacking services so that you can focus on other aspects of your move that needs your attention. Moving from or out of the city can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to long-distance moves, but it doesn't have to be. Long-distance travel usually involves crossing national borders and requires more planning and organization. Our professional movers make the out-of-town moving process much easier with their expertise in long-distance moves. Our experienced movers will help you with all aspects of the move, from packing your belongings to loading them onto a moving truck and transporting them to your new home. In some cases where your move-in date is delayed, your belongings may be stored. You may also have to deal with different state laws when moving long distances. Therefore, choosing a reputable moving company that can handle all of the logistics for you is essential. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gonzalez moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.